Mokusani. Wow. Mo spirit mamuzo spirit munde de bawo. Awa me mfiku nde kukade de na. Mfiku nde kuka samu 10 years mu 1 year mu kezona. Ayi safi. Allah neni baba. Allah neni baba. Aro ni makati rai. Wawa mo buwa street na ya baso nchas me chumodi. Ajuma dimu.
It's your boy Soft String on this one.
This is cute. Yeah. I know. I'm person for you. Which one? Person for bags now. Other no mommy. Other blue one, mommy.
Really?
Yeah. Can I get like a slippers to match?
I want the white one.
It be fainting.
Is that nice?
It be fainting.
Oh, but why is it for?
Yeah. But
so
other the blue one. They said if I can get 37, 38 slippers to match with it.
Okay.
Blue na, say blue na yefe. Ano?
Blues are there free.
Should I any do white? I don't want for Friday. Try all white, so I do wow for.
Now blues so that in a mobile there twist and I said, we will be charged.
Yeah, one day right now before.
Blue. This is so funny. Blues.
Oh, this is also nice. Daddy.
Hello.
Yes, Daddy. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, Daddy.
Thank you. I want an ambum.
I'm going to take that. I shall be able to. I'll leave you.
Okay.
Papa, there. Bye.
Yeah, right.
I see.
Okay. Dad, you know, I really appreciate Amanda's support. Now, her family, how she's dedicated, loyal.
Yeah. That is how true friendship means.
I know.
So, you know what? When one is in difficulty, the one who stands by him or her in those times is the true friend.
I know.
Yes. So I advise you to support her in whatever she wants to do. Yes.
Maybe I do. I mean, I do support her. I mean in the little ways that I can, yes. But once you've said, I would have a chat with her. Maybe if there is something that she actually wants to do, then.
See whatever.
I know that day. Yeah. Let me do that.
That's your job.
Of course.
Oh la la.
Hey. This is Brown from him to John. Brown.
Yes, Sandra, we're seeing how we are.
Yeah, brother.
Kasantem na kasa ba ko.
Family aya.
Who can play about?
A new town.
Oh, new town I will do ni ma. I'm going to join. I can't make a sound while we're many times.
Very man, dear.
I don't want to show them. Then I put me for an area.
Kasa ya nkebe bo ono na big mama wo area ha o. Kasa no mo a.
Sit down now I put me show.
Abwa.
Unye bibia.
No mo tani o to ko.
Wa show them. so chem so a gangster on. Unya hwe aka ko mi hwe.
Big Mama no kasa.
Di machi.
I said di machi.
Let's someone we along on.
Yes, man. Almighty Adonai inspiration.
I still my uncle table to one year. Okay, you be coffee. Don't hold. I want to hear the do.
I want to hear the ready.
That way.
By this time, it's already
I feel today's Monday. But the video is nice.
Yeah, let me give it a beautiful portion.
The video is nice.
Anyway, how about Aaron? Aaron is still not be sour. Hey, and they say they mean so nice to Chiragana, my oh, friend, now when I'm on a business trip and I'm busy and I'm this and I'm that, I'm see you, Martin.
Why are we watching President of Ghana?
Minimum. I don't cry, you busy. Hey, Daddy, you're here.
Yeah.
Well.
Hello, Amanda.
Well, welcome, Daddy.
Young man.
Hello.
Sarah. Yeah. Prima.
Daddy.
It's your book there.
Daddy, Boko.
Young man, I'm a cancer, man, who knew. Think I'm a balloon trafficking. Oh, no, dear, me, pussy. Say how. What in the Casana? Oh, ye. Said Cunyao said,
But is it not small?
excuse me.
No, I'm asking because.
Would it be
Not small.
Not small. How old are you?
Very soon.
Very soon. Let me.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Yes, very soon.
Okay.
Yes.
He speaks English too.
Of course.
What check your clothes, Manini?
When you up?
It's from my word, I didn't buy her. Me, my promise said the beat. There be no meaning, baby. To me, say, me didn't show once up. Because she will feel be a Mr. Frima, do it for him.
But Daddy.
Yeah.
But he knows how to like some, so I wouldn't have to change. I wouldn't have to bath him.
And do any other chores in the house.
Anything.
So I wouldn't have to take care of him.
Me na me be.
Hey, Kafra, me brony. Bomenana, Kafra, what's it? What are you wrong? That's it. Many of you be what it.
I mean, Bibia, bunch of Bibia.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
there you are, Frima.
Okay, Daddy.
Yes. Whoa.
You're welcome.
When you have a fear, what it? Bibia, Biano. No one around that. What will be Sammy? Meet me where? What will be Sammy? And that for Penny. Friend Amanda.
Yeah, hello. Me feel saying.
I'm patrol. Me I said your friend family.
Hey. Now, okay, so I saw who to jazz.
Me patrol I said it.
So prepare for this kind of thing.
I think I'll be coming here always.
I know, right?
Oh, I'm saying, come put me new. So,
Okay, Daddy.
yeah.
Let me keep your bag inside. Yeah.
Now when you're here,
Oh my God.
won't you here?
What's wrong? Me how right to?
I'm slow. Ready.
I'm patrol all day.
Oh, yeah, rice.
Rice.
And stew.
Ada uchi.
I said that we are going to do our boating.
Rice man.
Okay.
Tina can say fufu bi ready.
Where do you near? And I'll be on Kubicula.
Enya hwe wabe. E be sha ase aye. Why?
Then the kitchen one. Oh, don't worry, you're first time to me. Worry.
One say, why you wounded that deal soon, sir? Why?
And at daddy, we said that's be a woman.
You.
Seriously, they know beyond who are going to say, a bit for no benefit. Miss Adams.
We had that from Graphic.
Sarah Mathieu.
Amanda, I said, boy, back to have me, idea. We back on my side.
Oh, no lie, me and say, yes, me people, I am a training, because council no John will shade. So I said, dog is the same.
Amanda, boy, no come, I say, soon in the out.
I know the normal, yeah, it's true, but in the court, but you get this back, and you can decide, me forget you or whatever. And anything serious, be a normal, sounds like boy, no, you're fresh, so be crap on thing, I'm actually, I'm here, me like, when you be serious, be no,
I'm only we, me know, son say, what for Leah, mammy.
Are you? Why do you talk like that? You follow here, normal, so boy, I am money, on me, lie. I'm a little to mommy and daddy. I'm a free the Yemi lines. So I say, I only baby. And I say, police for number around £100. They say me free more. Let me deep boy and she can't get to know what downtown. Make up a shame, Kakran, say, Kakran.
Oh, no, sound.
I can't know myself, say, I have sorted that. Me also in our film because any hand it's in the challenge. I say, police for number around. So what I say?
I see. Today I must remember downtown Obiana.
Oh, Debbie, now the boy in the same no by empty.
Out to doom.
Oh, Debbie, normal. The person is stay away from her side and later, Miss Abba. Oh, I say I had a hand free. I don't feel it yet.
So, would you dim power house? I could chance all the
I say, hey, that's some be a coded on. We are not back and relax. Police for Nabana, my Jimmy, this will be being a pass to me. So I did. The only line until the BBA, I mean, you was a touch of. Right on time.
Monday, I can have this. Your handwriting.
All right.
Handwriting for check. Mommy could have it. Hey. Remember what God has done for us.
I know.
Come on, pray.
I know. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this morning, for this beautiful setup. We know you've already blessed this food, and so I won't talk plenty. Thank you. I love you.
Amen.
Dad, have you forgotten your medication?
Oh, no. It hurts. It's just that it's finished, and the doctor will prescribe some for me this weekend.
Okay. Enjoy your meal then.
Yeah, mommy. Kai, mommy, Dodo. You take good care of me, and it's okay.
What can I do? I have to take care of you. Is your toast okay? Is it the way you want it?
Madam.
Yes, no problem.
Sorry, you had a visitor.
I had a visitor. I am.
Where you are? Mr. Room.
You know. Not my name, Bray. I know I do be.
Consult, madam.
A dear consultation with a friend of Bray. Babe.
Thank you so
You
much.
can have a seat.
Thank you. Follow me here.
You have-
Here we go.
Yes, leave me.
Aren't you happy to see me?
Of course I am.
So why are you still sleeping?
How long did it take you to get to come?
At least I'm here.
Come here.
No baby.
But I'm going inside home.
Nah, garbage na.
Family super.
No. Come
Baby,
here.
yo.
How was your trip? I guess you're tired.
It was very tiring, but at least it went well. Guess what?
What?
I said I should come back in 2 weeks' time.
Oh boy. 2 weeks time again?
Yeah. Listen, see, ever since I've now lost the husband, you know they want to take care of him. So on my way here, they called me that she'll be admitted at the hospital. Okay? And I need to go see her.
Don't you get tired of excuses? Don't you get tired? I mean, when are you going to get time for me?
What do you
mean? So no, don't tell me that. No, don't.
Listen,
no, don't give me that.
At least let's enjoy this space. I just go back.
You just go back? And you're leaving in 2 weeks?
Come on.
And you can't even be with me?
It's okay. Let's enjoy this moment.
Aaron, I don't want it to seem, listen, I don't want it to seem as if I'm being too demanding and as I'm nagging too much. But you know so about we hear attention. Do you get it?
That is why I come every time I get the chance.
Must I beg you for attention?
Nobody's saying beg me.
Anyway.
At least I'm here.
Whatever.
Enjoy me. Yeah?
Anyways, Daddy wants to officially meet you and then we make plans for the wedding or whatever.
When does your dad want us to meet?
It depends on you. Like, we can even go meet him tomorrow.
No. I told you I'm busy tomorrow. Okay, how about when I return from my trip? How about that?
Everything else is important, but like, what is it?
I need to work. I need to keep you beautiful.
I don't need money from you.
I'm not saying money, baby girl. I'm not saying money.
Would you want to eat anything?
I'm a man to.
Oh, don't I know you? Leave me alone. No, thanks, so I don't know. Family, I'm not sure. But would you want to eat the same thing?
Yes, how the Fabian Bransa. No chirby. Hey. Sweet babe. Charlie, I can't go meet your puppy right now. I no go work. I mean my mind day. So they delay my time safe.
You ever cool temper? Simba, I don't know scan on the buy.
Bring me half.
Better say oh.
So 20.
Catch us will be banner better than I just got. Stop here, we are the free.
Boys, no need
We are the free.
Boys, no need my forget your mom.
And he'll get to Ben Aqua once here, the we free that. I catch us any part about with Torina. Just got bad the Pia, just want Mammy Casasa.
Hey, trust on the baby. Casa.
Yeah, man, and the message, chairman, what dear, maybe never can and sanction. Why?
Mama di mama.
Hey.
Mama di mama.
Guys,
scan your banner here.
20 on.
Hey,
Anna.
David, I'm too bad.
And yes, it's a new.
Allah.
and she for quite on we had 2 months.
Oh, I know, yes, sir.
You see, Billy for an hour, then you know, for quite on.
Yes, I'm John Guy, tell your mommy, ta. Miss Rich, the
follow me now, the name I papa had the name I said, so then I know.
I'm crying sometimes over Casa Crado.
Let's not talk on a Tony Manina. If you won't say what done for the hour. I'm in nine. You have a teacher in Libya.
Mathematics. My only girl in a balance for how?
Well,
4 6.
Scan out the short tomorrow.
Let's see how me find you bottom na me chef. Ekita me why. Who's got some there on uni mobia. We are
penny yanubia, what a penny yanubia. At 25 no fi come. It become.
It will come. They call me.
You call you what time?
Like 8 a.m. then.
8 a.m. done.
8 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah. That's all right. Look, I'm on my way to the office, so you don't need to worry, okay? Hey, Freeman? Freeman?
Hey.
Freeman? Freeman? Freeman?
Daddy.
Freeman?
Daddy. Are you okay? Jesus Christ, where's my car keys? Oh, God.
So what really happened?
My sister, I'm a pay with Sissy and more for Gruma. We will have what team frame me. Can you believe that I was son of Kuma? Untimin Cas, Untimin can Huntimin she. Hey, sister.
Now they didn't know fan.
Oh, fan and I say me beside no siasa. I was off for Kojibin. I mean, him swearing on Kojia.
Oh, Freeman. The Yancy, I know referred you. Also, can't know we get fast Kojiman. And it's all that way. She be any house, I'll make sure. Only Paronia on quantity or Nini. Diana refine or also I'll make sure say what Koj.
Just a hard dream. A hard dream. I won't lie. A hard dream. It's serious. You don't even know where it strikes. You don't know when it starts. Oh, why not? You must shoot because when him so only 2 hours wouldn't need say best Sonny moon, saying Sonny moon. Hey, they say them young crashes in me. Hey, no, come so fear them saying how they can be trying.
Ontimi nkasa. He'll be fine. Let's pray for him. Fine.
Don't tell you so bisana. Oh na hoye. Ni pese wo botimi dotimi chese etimi so ne ho a won kasa ne ho po che la.
No better.
Sister, I don't know.
Oh, God. Good man, see.
Akabenezer. Let go.
Hey! Wagwa. Plantain chips, so perewa.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what's up, Chiami? Oh, perewa.
But I'm sure Yaya.
Yeah. Yeah, Ben.
Or your tuntum or me abemano.
Yeah. Oh, Sibilia Bemalo. Unia Bemane, Yaya. I'm visiting by a John.
But you only, Nana.
Only an ass leg, man. Ubronia to sell where the Unia could be. What a smile.
Missing me, Abemano, patronim, Nana.
Yaya be Bobo.
Patron Bobo.
Yamala Yaya Oka.
Darby.
I have a choice.
I mean, Kai, but then patronim, Mishano, Mibeshano around Hansi, but I mean, Kai baby pot some Beshano.
Tuntum.
Patron, Nimu do. Oh, I.
Skin color new crowded. Where fresh girl at? Where sure?
I'm
sure. Freya, I have no swooning, was sister high upon some devil. Upon some folk one.
But your friend, bro.
Yeah. Oh, smart. Made them a pen a coffee. I told you. I don't go Freya, I am no castle. Fresh girl. Hey, Bandam, I don't know what moves are. Huh?
My first after Panny Namiao, and I'm a kaiser on the shower hat, baby, Timba shell.
Now, what feminine win ya me? Abede.
I'm a semi cousin.
I
mean, I get no Dimechi.
I do up now.
My order be our fine, sir.
I drop in my
Charlie, order betray me, chair, my
temper with Jinamu. Sure, I really move. What is your fucking? Is it not going to me now? One
piano, 200. Sure, Massa, Ben, yes, I know.
You was saving
shit. I would have quite saving Cosabe back to what the other uncle baby. One down there, 7 hours and make us on. Massa, Sayabaya, Sayabaya, Benjamin, I was here be I walk on. Would have be our chance. I find Saram Dimia Baba, Mom. Just 7 hours, can I call no coach school? Shit, me travel inside one. Hey, I draw. Hurry.
Mamma crying, and baby, and I'm to know, or more ye me through Hono Asana. Me makwan tin me catch yourself for send me di madam for be chiko eastern region na come ne nkotina ye be squan na kama samba it's not me be catch you
who di madam for be and then ko eastern region
no na me wo ho me roommate
I dey fear and say o see you near money free one oh how
I
What I'm for no to dinner chinena ko eastern region. Oh, you good?
Oh, you good. Ni mama ni papa ni na ho no ntino.
Mr. Wo kono sho ho so ye o. O ti dey make at no. Wo kono sho ho so ye nko ye fucking lie bia. Aha ma habiem o frame na wan nyame a. Udi tai, me be hum okwa me frɛ wo. Me pese obe ba biem.
No, when you build your semi car by man crow.
Obe baby basa obi ano bataba sa no so de no.
Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, sir.
Sisi ono adamfo na eko.
Pachai.
Try me neighbor. Tiwi. Lefako, oti, ma ha biem. Ofra me na wan nyame a, e be hu me squad me frɛ. Oti, so hu su you. Ha? Ko.
Yeah.
Ko. Ko opia frɛ wa kwan so a boys na go no frɛ wa nkɔkɔ.
Ba me dey shame so be frɛ bia.
Obeshe kaba eno na ofre ni bia. Why?
Yeah.
Ana wo life tisa.
Yeah, I'm sure. The matches be at one. Now we are now person better matches spread do say. The matches be at me who ade.
Bisa Amanda, bisa my wife, bisa Amanda, we bia na wono. Bisa Amanda.
Mushad na mo ndi mbeja abu ni.
Bisi bisa Amanda, me fa wo lighter, me do lighter kwai.
Matches 2 ana mafa. You so jakora na mababi.
Ola mo da sole a matches lighter nkwa na wo mo adwene musa, je so mo be hihye ni nti, ha? The bia why time. The bia Vandam why time.
My time and my time.
This is why time.
Like is watching. I will try to shock you any time. I really wish.
Kabere Vandam. Hey, asa. Kabere.
Now, she say I would him said the machine. Me who get and 30 years you talking, you know.
Vandam, I ask you to wundi wati. Kaka ya dade kinka, kaji.
Odeke kan was a gumiso.
Kaka zaman. Just minute.
You be civil abo hwe mo.
Wo be civil abo me show. Me jewa. O block.
Blocking no. Hey.
Guys, sorry. I'm going inside. That be all right.
Put him red.
Yes, doctor. Yes, I mean, I'm just happy that he's responding. Yeah. Oh, not really. Not really, yeah. Thanks so much. That's it. And I think that I'll be coming to see him here. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll take her back. Yes. Thanks so much. Bye. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Baby.
Babe, why the long face?
It's Daddy again.
What's wrong with him?
He's been admitted.
I hope he's okay.
Yeah, according to the doctor, he's responding, but it was serious.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been about 2 days now. He's been there for 2 days, yeah.
And I don't know about it.
You're always busy. You are always running around.
A simple text message would do. I'm the man in your life, so let me know what is going on. It's your dad you are talking about here.
Baby, I get it, but there wasn't time to actually do calls, or you don't know the severity of the whole thing. It was very serious.
So, okay, listen. Let's go see him tomorrow, okay?
You kidding me?
What?
That'd be nice.
Yeah, it's your dad. Let's go see him tomorrow, okay? Oh, I'm worried.
So are you staying so we go tomorrow?
Oh, about staying. I have a couple of things back home I need to take care of. Listen. I won't have the whole of tomorrow for you, okay? So we go and see your dad tomorrow.
Okay.
You'll be fine, okay? Sorry. Don't cry.
It's just been me running around, back and forth at your hospital, getting drips, getting this.
Sorry.
It's, hey.
Sorry. You should have said something to me. I mean, I can't watch you go through all this stress by yourself. See, you look stressed. Instead of looking beautiful,
I haven't even slept.
You look stressed.
Yeah, I was there. Do you know the time I left the hospital yesterday? I haven't had any good sleep in 2 days.
And why am I hearing of this thing now? I just don't get it.
Aaron, stop. Oh, you're offer. You're coming to complain.
But it's a text message,
text message. And I dare see me pentend me friend.
Oh.
I can't. I dare share I was a text message.
You are supposed to be looking beautiful for me and not stressed. Don't be stressing like that. Come here. That'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
That'll be fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's your boy Soft String on this one. I'm rolling. I'm rolling 24/7 on it. We killing on it.
Hey. Ajua. Nada oyere mo ha.
Me share Brian.
It's nothing.
Me share Brian and me bisa around. Phone being on catch say. Out na hamisi. It's
Oh,
me share so ha.
no han mo se sia no ko feel. Now then, I won't even feel.
Ababio, me bisa na on person about me. Me friend bi na mama share no baby.
Okay. Date now, Reno. As usual. Scammy boy. Hey, now we are calling. Maybe I want you to do one with me more and your chat is behind your crack for your life. I would be a just all bra. You see, I will be so will you, so will you. Obey Hey, me, time me, about 12 years, I'm free, I'm sure the same street. When you never say, would there be an bra. Hey. Nice girl, Coco, fine. Oh, now come on, say lie, between me, be just all bra. Sorry, quite. Oba, my catcher.
Me das.
Yeah, when a new Coco saw the option quite. Hey, be me bra, bra. Hey. Brains is on so John Semna, no Caribbean was so Caribbean also. What's yes to see our fine fa. On should make our shop for water there, but nada. Oh.
How are you?
Fine.
I can see. Think now you're getting much stronger. Do you still want to be here or you want to go home? Wait me, you're better discharging not trying up.
Really?
By 8 o'clock or somewhere, I see.
Okay.
Nothing. So from there now, my face and here and now. I check the BB and the BP near there.
Okay.
Every morning, be answer making sure say, Obama team and anti-compound so with birth fitted.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
And I'm put my head in. I no so you draw. You be heal a lot of things because the only you know, any fear not connecting. No say at the same time. The stress no, too much. Tomorrow now want to tell you my son.
Okay.
Aside that day we okay.
But Nintendo, so are you ready?
I don't do be I said.
Okay.
Yeah, that yes. Dad, we be any more.
Passion.
I mean, jam too.
No, sure.
I miss Mommy so much. I wish she was here to take care of you. I mean, at this testing times.
I do miss her too. But bear in mind, a strong person is the one who takes the most difficult decisions. Yes. And learn to close some windows, even if it gives the best of views.
I just wish you was here. I mean, to take care of you, especially if I'm not around. Like... You'll be fine, yeah? So how's them? It's okay, I'm here. That's the only thing I can say. It's getting better. Yeah. I wonder. What did you say? Aaron. Maybe you're kind of that's what you and then, can you believe that? Obi and Obama, no problem, Auntie Sandra. I paid the whole, and you know I'd leave here alone with him. Oh, Fred boy, yeah. Oh, hi, Frema. Oh, okay. Mesafro is here. Me meeting get to Mesafro. After hours, I would have to call him back and remind him that you said you were going to call. Me refi. Oh, Mesafro. Oh, Frema Mefro is here. Do you know how long it's been? When you see how Mary Baba. What? I am telling you, sister. Wow, sir, am I explaining how serious this whole thing is to you? Abema uno about ho. Unim sa me papa penalty. Na problem enti saba. Unti mimpo manfa when nimpo mama say. What? Yeah. Everyone hasn't been here. Amanda. Unti mimpo na phone odi an konfa phone impo anopebi an kon friend po bisa so. How are you coping? It's just you. How is he doing? Na me no. Me who say boy no. I don't know. Him papa ya refuse me say no. Because it doesn't make sense. Why would you not care the same way I care about you? Why would you not show that little care? Oh, maybe what to say, at least I had quite bang. Yeah, someone. Woman. How everyone guy now? A relationship with someone today, and I'm in person can be no relationship as some. Woman, I'm no relationship as my Aaron, but now I'm not found who says, yeah, the okay now. May say this time around in a day. This time around, the dear children me papa yari, and mania me family, the dear chairman. Oh. Because I say a yakoye trained the BS here be there. You see the agency he calls, you see how agent he calls, and then how I say Nena intentia oh way Missy Okaso Krunkrobet Catchos Obishia. I did you here. But Papa Yari, it's a matter of life and death. You couldn't even show concern. It's not really my family watching you because relationship is one way dear. It's like I am pushing and he's not even making an effort. Does it make sense? Yeah, I'm not won't name was sad kind. You know what? Let's just concentrate on that for now. Okay. Forget about Aaron. If he wants to come here, fine. If he doesn't want to, shouldn't be a problem. I don't even bother to call. I'm waiting. So my only concern is him. He should get better. He should be fine. And then from there, no. Aaron dear, last time dear. It's aftermath cry. This is not kind now. I focus on that. So for now, why? Aaron last time dear. Secondary matter. Why?
Why is it getting serious?
Obi as so that one home ne home is easy assault subi near there. They say they are banner but he said they say they can't connect. I don't know.
Wow. Nah, I'm a doctor and I'm a patient of it.
That's all about no. They'll say he'll be fine, but
what kind of normal reason be like whatever.
Mommy will be also you'll be sana. He's positive, but to her how Papa Idawa. I said, "I Dennis want to be want to me." I don't know.
I think you should just relax. He'll be fine. Shouldn't stress yourself.
Because sometimes it even freaks me out.
Stop. Don't go there.
Man,
He will be fine. Not say I had about normal. Oh, you need age. It's definitely you need the only now by your ticket, but it's not this serious. Men for drink over. No, he'll be fine. Okay. Alright.
I pray so. I pray he is.
Negative. Just be positive.
Now, what many parents all that have it in say you won't think negative.
Papa no nyine. And then idea first time no kasa we mshishiwa na baby. A change say so why are you so negative about this? Relax, he'll be fine.
You look good.
How did you ask why pasa? What you feel? What did you?
Me did you?
Question be na him.
Me no process it. Oh my baby. Yeah, come on. And I'm coaching on that. Messing in that. Yeah, okay.
Come on. Yes. Oh, let's go quiet cacao. Oh, nasa one can chairman. Me ba me frɛ wine. Oh, any problem ka chairman ma ka me mo aba. Me to kwan kakra. Ti me ba me frɛ wine. Okay. All right, sure. Bye.
All right,
I don't know I'm coming home,
I don't know. On the frost, Anna.
See a person of Baminchen. I should be empty. I'm the two kind. I'll be empty there.
What's what done for? I don't know him baby out in a over show baby out here. Say no, man. I don't need baby out here.
Oh, Debbie.
That I damn father for no.
Oh, Debbie. Oh, no. On to say you.
What am I baby out here now?
Baby, on the bill. This to send me the over. You're about but not going to mean in a house. And I am in person who will lie. You don't say me call crowns and I am dressed because I'm dressing your ban won't say me like Debbie. One of the
how done for now, fellas, or bones ought to get to.
Oh, yes, I'm a ferry, but also the kind of living, or yes, and I heard them, it's me, so be visa. So what I say, when you be serious, we are. But me and I'm
in the same no yawa and wow lie and no yawa.
Now watching the baby after this.
You say you call him Auntie Munimua.
Oh, okay.
Frima, my dear.
Yesterday.
Akabenezer get too heavy.
Oh, sweetheart.
I'm sorry, my dear. My dear, you've been the son I've always wanted. Very soon, you have to take decisions for yourself and my business. Just as it was handed over from my grandfather to my father and then to me.
Daddy, don't talk like that. You're not going anywhere, please.
Tough times will come. And as a woman, you need a man to lean on. I want you to promise me, Frima, that you always respect your husband, regardless of your worth.
Daddy, I will. Would you be here to witness that?
Amanda, come to Daddy's room, please.
Amanda, you are such a good friend. Yes, never leave her side. And that is the hallmark of a good friendship.
Okay, Daddy, I promise.
Your mother is smiling at me. Behind you.
Mother? Daddy!
Daddy! Call the doctor.
He's gone!
Wait, no.
He's gone! He's gone! Daddy, no!
Make us say, in and shedding pan. And now, maybe do fear a bomb, mamma, near about old boy. I send me a come pan. And see, we are saying, Cassani, papa, and check, we are saying. To wait, dear Kafra pan. Now, maybe I'm so maybe missing can't you say, into trade be about Cosubiano. My support to be a one year and family support him.
Yes. Tino. You're going to pass any time to draw. No. You pay.
Mate, let's share quite.
I'm not chairman, so.
But Mate, really, Kafra.
Yes, boss.
I guess you came to see Dad. Well, he's no more. You know what? When my dad was alive, he told me one thing. That no one is too busy. You definitely would have time for things that are important to you.
Don't say that. Come on.
How funny you never got the chance to meet him. You never got the chance to even say hello to him.
I wanted to.
Now the man who was supposed to bless this relationship is no more. And I prefer we leave it as that. Get out.
Babe.
Get out.
It's not got into that.
For me!
Madam!
Babe, it has not got into that.
Get this man out.
Lover boy. Any wasuma radio chami. Wasina na wasuma. Besing.
Babe.
Lover boy. Masa, emanen touch on press on. Na me lemu na madam dia mama papa. So I message do message sa watching no besing. Masa. Besing.
Oh, come on, man.
Hey, don't talk again, besing.
I'm really sorry.
Hey, besing ne ja sorry. The plan say ko jana sorry. Go. Madam.
Get out. Feminin.
Madam Sumunku.
Get out.
Come on, girl. See, I understand you. You've cried enough. You've tried your best. Oh, Papa Nanga's won't say what try your best. Enough of the crying. Okay? You have to move on in life. You have to move on. When you're worried, and you soon back at my cry and have funny mappy. It's in the you soon you trust. I. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, and to me, it's very easy to console the person, but a bad one, I won't say no. The pain you feel is different. It's a different kind of pain.
Stop, don't cry. You want me to cry too? Oh, stop. You're making me cry too. Stop. Don't. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Stop. You're making me cry too. You'll be fine as well, okay? All right. You see, I think you are alone in this house, and I don't like it. Anyway, look at me. Don't cry. I'm okay. No, don't cry. You made me cry. Listen,
I'm okay.
I don't like the fact that you are alone in this house. Besides, Aaron called. Come on, woman.
No, I don't want to hear Aaron for now. I mean, this is not a mood that maybe Aaron has him. Aaron is past and gone. I do not want to have any conversation with him. I do not want to talk to him. What am I even talking to him about?
But see, I can't. And I think say also about what
this is what I was talking about. I am in Quanti and coming here by my life. I am in Quanti and I come here beer at least. Obeti me mechi. Now look at all these. Bema waha and kono and I take charge. Echine bibia mo ye. Me your bar, I'm only a woman. Besides, it's just me. You understand? Oh, cannot there to I shall I?
Think I will hear Bema Nanka or the Bibia Shenensa.
I mean, it's a Bema of my life when I say 1 hour of my life, ma. Everything that is mine is yours. Me grandpa don't even me japat me dey cast na gugu way. If me dey nka wo Bema no, and I can take charge. I run businesses. I take charge of everything. And so Aaron was not the guy. What I say? Now we worry out for a minute.
So you know what? You just relax. I'm sure say Yakopon be my papa day. Ababio now I did whatever you want him to do for you. I hope so. When you will be papa, I will be do what you say, Bema. No, I share what your part there swinging. Why?
Amanda, now it's just me. Mini and na mini echa.
I understand, but you have me. Come on, stop. You have me. You know what? I don't like. You see, go inside and get something. Let's go and drink something. Please. I insist. I'm waiting.
Mamincho.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Good girl.
Gosh. What's up?
How are you doing?
Mami, bon no ba. O cha, ina lo mo mi.
Okay, we need two. Two shots.
You do me a like an auto, bar my
That's an one for one.
I want to sound 1, 2, 3.
Mami, I know there.
Wow, way.
We can tap and get
Baby.
That's bad or man.
Ababio. So gloomy, even never say.
So good. Oninya 3 hours.
Everyone here.
Ebi o kiki ananu ase ni enko tabo na ni ma na enye no sa.
Sure.
Ana on pe wi ade sa. Ya wi asu na wo ma ya na ede.
How many miles were there?
Mama so you know bisa.
1, 2, 3.
1 2 3.
Maze.
1 2. Na de majingo wa afra.
Yeah. The one zoom line.
Meso. No other wa bulam 1 total bi.
Maze 2.
Now they after 5 no 2 total one.
Okay.
So they what touch.
Banana.
Having father on having to quanta.
Having be any hot in San Obedience as I see also. We need now.
Aba,
no, let's say a bonnet share. Ora is to Naka so quite if we shall not know one say.
I know the name song.
And Sabia and Sam.
I've been some son. Ova, we say brevete no one thought to come.
But that now, you're getting and they got craving at us soon.
Yeah. Amanda, I said we met Nakachi, but what we knew so. Amanda, Namidia, I'm tired. Amanda, it told me and pep breaking money and your word, me and free get to her. Amanda, get to her, you think you ever try to get to us? Bonko Cran marijuana. Amanda, Miss Row, you can't be a before to see me free get to her. Huh? Get to life. She also ma kukun shifu.
Na ho wakum shifu ade ene kwa no ho ene kwa no ho kum ni pa we to ha. Na ade si de bia anti ade na your problem.
Anya nankwa na yekun obi o. Enti wanya nankwa yekun bi ade bia ye ni so. Obi ko na akoti akam. Amanda. Yati ha ye dey. Ha? Ama.
Na o kan de.
Yan trust ni woni empa brebi moni em free get wa.
Onia. I'm going back.
I'm not born back.
Only 3 or last one.
Last one.
So no action adio. Oh no from. No action adio.
A guy who ordered a Sajalo. Almost no tragedy.
Indoors one.
Power.
Amanda. Miss Wasana make a meeting pa. Huh? You forget to her. It's the piano we see in Namia near Cornea Bar. Amanda, you try to be free and you pay you may be a and Amanda about woo. And you have a woman, a man swab it not get to live, get to life. Amanda, me dear, my catch now. Say if say you're not ready to out of the ghetto, me dear, I'm ready. You.
What's that now? Can made in a show. You're kind of Matthias, and I said, Nammy be catch on. Use gumption, common sense, and may and send me to the papa to be our. You may be able to dominate. I want them best all you say, my own love, said. Listen and listen good. Only Madam Frima, right?
Be alcohol.
Exactly. When I'm saying Papa no wo Jack. Papa no wo. Ono so. Omo woni ba ko pe. Papa no was car or properties. Into Japade ni nyina. On the shakwala nisa. Now, oh baby. Boy, a long story. But boy, who is in the canteen dinner. But finally, what's many boy na there? Ejai. Na me call ni chano ni medin komo bi say. Oh, here be more day Japade here be shene nsane ade. So that he. To us, I'm not me come. For sure, if I'm drive it.
Amanda, 1970 I will come and see you. Senate guy in a child, whatever. Yeah, I'm fire home. You're making in a tea. It's your patch, say.
I'm fire home. I said, now make a room, baby. I may drive it. Use your gum shit. Oh, here, Bema on a life more. One of the best ways, her, man. You go in there and act as a boyfriend.
Stop rubbish. Amanda, on said there be a make a say wo on me. It is Amanda say wo me. And I say wo do me. I be cancer me actually to Debbie and someone walk on Debbie. What do you expect me? Who patches? Who talk?
What the hell love. Who these guys they do see they love. Listen to me. Go in there, act as a boyfriend. Who crop chrono near the or the Japade ni na be she cannot be see 2 kwan kwa hwe na e go Ghana he ya o. Se na kan san. She cannot be see 2 kwan kwa hwe no. E wo krom he ya. Who go acha 3 months for your business. Block out be so be feel. Na they start here brand new free Ghetto I say I'm for one man me out to honoma. Some few years to come, no boys this is or to what we do here. Near which I am wired times. Charlie, you make no dream.
Amanda, stop it! Stop! A semen who can sign Amanda. How long will I mean what date here? Oh, so what you say, me could date what damn for? How? Like how? Penny. If say you love me, come cut us wing treme Amanda. Penny. How? And so now Amanda, what check a cry now what she say? Oh patch say. No.
I only more them I show me. Don't say me your bam and say get to her. Tell them can what say.
Some soon say me a bear man say get to her.
You want to now, so yeah, you want simple now. Who they want? Then I'll say love. Love, then love. I know we love each other, but listen. Why are you my word? Na you money simple now. Who they? Why is he come on?
But she is your friend.
And so fucking what? And so what? I know she's my friend, but I know we can't ever discuss this kind of business. What's your friend? Me, I am Madam Crime. You know, one out of baby, you know. My friend, when you know how to drink some American honey, who they left and right. I'm my choice. Listen, we in your casa, baby. Oh no ma, and you buy for his sake, go and serve as a husband material. Then small things. Be. You speak to her nicely and have it tea. I said, we do coffee. We do coffee. Why? Act as if I don't know you. You are my schoolmates, old schoolmates. Apart from that, I know nothing about you. You know nothing about me. The 1 year starts here, Edgeman Free. I can't say a baguette or why I will share who now share their can why I own difference. Can say how? Baby, I may be pay how. Can say how I love you, but cancer. I found one brother. Jimmy.
Sorry. I mean,
Hey, walk out.
So, what pictures are going so? I'm already now.
What about the 2 crowd?
Coffee.
Panama man in coffee. What to ready now? Boy, we don't know who I bet not get to us. Okay. I see how to can or can. For
Also, dear.
very important. Phone.
Sorry, I'm wondering.
Well,
already. I'm sorry, Frema. Hey. Amanda. In the also kitchen. Come down, quite been a mammy for 7 and so now. Oh, my that's it. Oh, sorry. Me old schoolmates, you know. Come in, Nico, share Madame Fubi. But I wanted to pass here first, and I'm really sorry, say my conscience. Oh, that's fine. I mean, one chance never. Okay, sure. Okay. Me mama Bibiana. Would you want to drink anything? No, I think I'm fine. What's it be our one Bibiana? Do you want something?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay. Oh, okay. One friend of her.
Oh, Missy, I'm getting the crane and name my name on this semipa. I wanted to check something. Me or no.
Oh, okay.
And I'm saying it, Mammy Fahana. You know how you're fair.
I'm okay. Thank you for checking up.
I can see.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I can see you're glowing.
Oh, yeah.
And then I can see some smiles.
Yeah.
That's good.
Maybe Monday crime start here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I want to start.
Wow. Wow. Come here.
Wait is Amanda, let me chip in. Sister, shedding what it? Shedding pa. I was 8 years, then my father died. Me 8 years, sister. Me peja me papa didn't told me sasso.
At 8 years?
At 8 years. Yeah. That will lie you. And yet easy. But you wouldn't name papa wound. And sometimes they are not fun. Sister said me what it? Hey, yeah, but sometimes my men soon don't be worrying. Taking cool. If you go crazy, girl. Yeah. So you have to relax. So, can we be so we started? My sister started. Yeah, stress rate. Smile sometimes. Don't be quiet. So we're quieter. If they are a whole. Sometimes you can say a whole comes. Yeah, a whole me comes. Just shut up.
Yeah.
Because sister, when you mean. You're a very good preacher girl. So, Shawade, we see 8 years, non papa will not damage so. Then if we head to hospital, doctors in the Grumdon you're too young. Let me shock. 8 years, sister, let me shock. India Reho. India Reho. Come down, let's start here, Jumano. Why? Now, I'm out here.
I'm yet to near her.
She needs somebody to close her.
Exactly what I was saying.
Here will be a way to me. I get close to. I know sometimes all my men go on.
Yeah.
I say, forgetting yeah, maybe. Why? It's not to be good. What? You to be good. Where they are, you know, I back up. Right. No, Papa, no, so you have to be come back. So. You have to relax, okay?
That's yeah, frozen.
With the Joseph.
Oh, yeah. Joseph. Thanks so much. That's warm. Thank you.
Someone to know the use of a phone call.
That's nice.
And I'm Jody Machins of the Mary.
That is Mary. Hey.
Nah, actually, Baba goes to the Mary Mother.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're pushing back on Jesus.
Oh, Jesus, Miss Shaw, who didn't what it? Macum bearers, okay? Macum bearers. Shonday. Why?
I see a castle.
Oh, our dictionary, my.
I said, the castle in chess on said on Snagan and chess. That's all you
make teaching, but you say, if you're in a school, education, so Antiama, I come house. Start shedding Papa Wood, yeah. I remember my father.
That's so sad.
I remember my father.
Sorry.
Daddy.
That's so sad.
Daddy, come back. I miss you. I miss my dad.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa tia se aduane no pai delay blood panel. Don't say move for town. Daddy, can you back again?
Sorry. Yeah. Calm down. Mama will be Barbara will say I'm sorry, yeah.
Also, me and I may encourage you, but me, I mean, but this is
now, person you can enjoy, don't flop it, not his society. We ever had for no one from why I said it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
Daddy, young Criso, Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
I miss my father. Daddy, wake up, Daddy. Sorry, Tashi.
Kakra. Obi a me be chia obi on one so this one better than so. I'm me record. It's okay. You know what? Kakra. I'm sorry, boss. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Debbie I'm a woman. Oh, the why? I'll see you later. Okay. He'll be fine, right? I'm sure he will. I'll send me in the copy. Okay.
Be okay. I'm okay, sister. I'm okay.
You know what's good?
Sister, let me pray for you.
Okay.
I'm on pie now. Turn close your eyes. Father, I pray. I handed this lady to you, Father.
Amen.
Father, come back, Daddy. In the name of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you. So, sister.
Okay, Auntie. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll be okay. Yeah, I feel bad. Don't worry. I'm down to take care of him. Auntie, friend me, why? Okay, babe. Bye, why? Not it. Great to be. I'm sorry. We just send a praying. Eh?
Right, watch it, Papa.
Watch me. Why? Watch me. Baby, I'm wanting to watch me. Why?
Na ifa na ya otiam pese meba.
Adwa, enyi se baby ameti na me pese memo hu. O de later no, me do ba call memo hu baby ameti bibia. But how phone ne make kasa o phone so no na who can send me. De asem.
Mi school fees na wasem me ka show. Me anti na me frɛ no.
Adwa, Mate. Fees in the next week. Me the fees in the Bama no akwa akutua. What?
I am Mr. Like me pacho. Me pass like obon homodin. Amame, but then we meet me for our exams hall. And I will see my final exams. Or send me and I'm into school fees no. My three exams no cry I say school na me call Cranfasobia and Basso Amma Yemienu.
Adwa. In fact, what can some mama rahupa? Mammy, we know, I could come in me no kwa. All because of you, and I'm Wall Street. And come in my street in a so. But because of you, say what education wants some, and I bet me a co school never another action when your baby a dinner. And winter I'm Wall Street in a so. Mr. Office, no, man, next week. A radiant man next week, me discount by my walk. I could try.
Next week, because me young Yamba next week Thursday. Next week, that being so.
Oh, the Mate, next week Thursday, no, me discount by my walk. I could try. What? But I dear Bakumes Wajua. School no for near grow. And first school in ya good day. My school no win young. I just say it you. And you won't tear now with Sukuntia. Come in my street. Come in my street. Beyonce will be some baby. I'm a woman. To me, so. Go school, mammy, and find your mamma Sam. My one in school, no, I would that time. Miss Slow. Next week, it is kind of bemo. What it? What it? So you're okay. You pentamentimen check. Jiwi, never foka. Why? Jiwi never foka. What it? 2 drinks and 1 friend. What it? Next week, you know, so me this kind of bemo. Now they are kwakuchia. Why? Shall see you? Don't say me about what it? Why? You didn't mean to. And trust you to Solina. Why? Okay. Bye bye.
Family. Bring me to one. Oh boy. Stressful day.
Madam, what?
What me doing?
Madam Pachai. Madam, when you be in a man.
They be coach keep me name the pack.
Madam,
Obi what bell now? Kona kwa check no ba kwan. Family.
Madam. Madam, you have a visitor. I don't know him.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Good afternoon. Una de one Amanda.
It's me, Joseph. Yeah.
Just. Now, one Amanda na bayan.
The video men kwana me now. Yeah.
Okay. Pacho de chance. Hey, come here with me. Pacho bro Bibiana.
Oh, I'm okay.
Any water, any wine, whiskey, everything they bele, azu, anything, anything.
I'm okay.
No, okay. No water.
You are very funny.
Oh, okay.
Oh, me okay.
Okay, madam. Madam, what?
Akwaba.
Oh, thank you.
Madam, sorry. No water.
No, I'm okay.
Oh, madam, just ask. Who play upon Tomudana?
No, I'm okay.
Because what was a good about stone?
He's a funny. No.
Madam, sorry.
Fetch me what's it? Just say.
Don't worry.
I don't know I'm doing it many kaka with you. How very they been kwa. Akwaba.
Thank you.
Nah.
Yo.
This me are very sorry.
Oh.
I've wanted the opportunity to apologize to you. Papa, sir. I'm sorry. No, please, I'm sorry.
I'm okay.
Thank you.
I'm okay. Sis, radio, me crane bonnet. Me call me papa nanaso.
Oh.
Because share me papa nanaso kakra. Me call say no. I mean for Hannah, I check out how I was on city. Yeah, and you mean crane bonnet. I'm just check up on you.
Thank you. I answer say from time to time. I mean, Obin to be anymore on senior maybe I say. But men are makumo no. I know how you feel, I know how it tastes like and all that. Yes. I had
I'm so by a crunching.
What's
that here, Juma? Oh, that's good. Nice. What is it? Menche. When they just send me back here, won't in a mammy bar. Now, ready, come up and say weekends, be uncle, won't you know? It's my phone and care baby at Franca Crananka. A chichi in a young right. And care in a young thing.
No problem.
What's the how dear? Oh, because my lifestyle, you have a patch, they will send me into will be farm with you. So, indeed. Kobasa, Because me free akra me call me papa nua ba ko factory ba ko o me pano so what to delay bread me father there me papa nua there yeah there
Any what you will be?
Oh, what is share means about me need time. My friend, humanity. Think I mess around senka. We create now baby and now that'll be free crowd. You beat me a call papa nana so after your father funeral things no. You beat me about me so me papa na so nanki abeshe free ha nanki kwa na ma ghost na daddy no no. Yeah.
Yes, I mean weekends I'm free. Me and Gruma from Monday to Friday, and so from Saturday Sunday I'm home.
Why you talking no? Oh, but what's the power?
I mean, anybody every day we are saying, "Yes, your brave, where's your hoko?"
Now we can say, "Oh no, the first time I'm back now soon will be no for we."
Aye, family. Aye, your buy no.
But you're funny.
Oh, you're funny. Oh, so there I come with no so when you hey, when
anyway, I said,
watch me 2 years.
Why?
Watch me 2 years, family. When you yeah, can go to Jenny na bache. When you
sir.
Oh yeah.
But look at dictionary my from my bread well. Wow.
Hey, when you I'm the edited, huh?
Sorry, I hear my name from here.
My friend Sandra.
We don't call you, we just mention your name. Okay? Oh, what's it free? This is already a main sell bread. Already a make coca.
Yeah, no, what take you? What a marvel horse, so by ye. Me dear too, me more shaming crying.
I remember my father.
Just Mr.
Father, wake up.
He can't wake up. It is so hot day, Mr. Wadarum. Why?
Sometimes I'm trying to give myself what when I was remember my father that I
sorry.
Can't give myself.
I'm so sorry. Why?
Okay.
It would have been you waiting here, Bana. I mean, whatever to make you feel okay, you have to come off these emotions and all that, Mr.
Okay.
Why?
Wait, yes, Papa, it doesn't sound so.
Yes, I'm sorry. Oh, just a. Yes, and I'm going to so I don't tell you. What a Roma. This is show.
Mr. Oh, Menko.
Oh, don't worry. It's what best time. Family. Bra, me get it remote no way.
Bra, and the mess up my cacra.
Oh, see, we are flash and look at this. Oh,
what can we do?
Very remote.
Okay.
On the see how. I see.
Madam, hey, so when he is you. Okay.
I'm here. What? Come. What? What is it?
Look at how you were sounding. I thought something was wrong.
How can something be wrong? There is nothing wrong. Just come.
Oh, gosh. What is it?
What? Okay, what done for you the last night in the bar, Hasi? And I mean, since then, maintaining Cambium, so I don't have his number to even call to check out. I don't tell my friend, it's nothing now. Would you make a two?
And nothing now to me for too much. Oh, seriously, you scared me.
But how did I sound?
You were sounding as if something is happening to you.
Oh, babe, stop. Nothing. I mean, meaning a number and my friend, and no sure. It's been almost since I 1 week. Maintaining can I'm saying, wow, then I buy and come in front, maybe so I say, what and can I say what is going on? I mean,
Wait, Frema.
I'm not a child.
Wait. You called me here because of Joseph.
Yes, basically.
Okay, so what's up? What's up with you? What's up with Joseph?
Nothing. No. Hey, Che. And you baby, why didn't I know? No. Come on. It's not what you're thinking. Oba, you know, I work with my time. I'll take a weekend. Mrs. Saturday, Sunday, I'm home. Also, a banana, a PA, you know, that kind of thing, just to try to get to know each other, that kind of.
Madam, obviously, Obebana will pay now. Obebana will need a number.
Me, number, Hey, Amanda.
Yes, of course, because obviously, about say, okay, my friend say, okay, me will be pay. Me put me down for no. I don't think that I owe you an explanation to you. I didn't know open him.
Chairman, the Hiane say, have you heard from him?
No, ma. I've not heard from him.
You're a liar.
Oh no, I haven't.
Why? I was just curious. What's going on?
No, I haven't. Also, I can't just say old school. I don't even know where he lives, but I think for his contact, I don't have it now.
Right.
But I think I can do something about it. I know somewhere that he's always there, and I could get him.
He seems like a cool guy, and I mean, we could just go hang out, that kind of. In Drew's level now, I join and I'm saying, yeah. I said, come on.
Okay, ma. Anyway, I know Joseph. He's a good guy. Joseph, they'll be happy. Like, obeying the pet, you will like him.
I know he has something. He has a beautiful aura.
He's a very good person.
Right.
Joseph, yeah. So I will try my best and then get
Please do.
his contact.
Let's go eat.
But I'm angry at it. Joseph eating our
Oh my Johnny. Oh.
Yeah.
No rice. Rice.
Only time in rice. Maybe rice.
Family.
Aí, Amar. Santiago.
Ababio. Hey, Mona Cho Saglu.
Saglu, oh. Wala ano shan tabo dani mo abis ko na.
I say, it is all crazy.
Ah.
Only near Dion. But also, only an anti-acha.
Yana wende. Anya ni sa. I said, Ghetto life na, bro. This time, you know. Hey, it's time we say more Dion.
Aye. I didn't do it, man.
Hey.
Fetch but it's here now.
I said, I'm missing the truck at Crabas. Oh, yeah.
Baba.
Oh, what's the emergency? What anymore? I can't anymore. Boys in the baby.
Let me have to wait.
I can't just say I can't anymore. Old senior matter. Boys, if you know my baby, I can't be out there. I won't take.
Fashion me as in common. So only pan.
Yeah.
I will go professors of if you know uncle. That's in for here. We'll see them wash. Let's go for money, Jimmy.
Oh, soon.
They will feel from me. Giddy. Oh, why? Also, was over funny.
So that's it now. Over grandma. Now, come and share on in America. We'll be a wow. I say, Gruma, feed him. You pay our come out to see. The far red and inside of my view. Bonasina. Yeah, I see how you're there.
This our ending was also way out because
if you're come on. If you want you come on, man.
I'm going to other houses now.
Sir?
Shit, properties all warm. See, I'm not going to be inside until so you want.
Be enriching, baby. You will did ye. No, so I'm so sorry. I am in Pesa. I mean, Pesa will be swimming money a day. No, oh, baby, I'm here.
So when I was
ABC.
Hey,
Ghetto girls. Ghetto boys, you know.
This also you want now money different dates.
So now wow.
Say me the one say money dey ma shisha to no mo see no. You want also ma on anya tie dia wo. Now make sure say feel comfortable around you. Me dey me da go. No matter what, everything be on no best. Here ni be am not be discuss first answer. Nti sa no de betum bia no de betum ni o de tum ni ma so se ma hye adwuma nice sa wa say
sisi no yende
nti sa mo no so kon na ko hu
meko na se di fi ho si ye kama
ska de bo ho ska de bo
you should make sure say mean this just say me yes o dia high kwa ho
yeah we only hope is on kenya
Amanda
adwuma ye media no na me ya
Amanda only ko sembe na o kansa Amanda na wo meme ne won tam ti se wuo ko makacha me ma me se wuo a yensie yewu
exactly was until we me
ye dada ka mu nyina ne ye wo ye
until we me ja
na wo ja ntiu yo ka dia ka
ya me na me ma o jimi entin mas haje ba dem penkwasa
na we dey say ye dwuma bi nya ye kaka ni nya de pewia akọ bi ehun ebi ye ko ye ba bi
but also o transem so na na ko sharp
me mensuru say no anu de na no aka mato me da akọ na no na akọ me kofa na obehu sa say me cheap bi so je no de si ye ne ye
mati no so ama o ye no so ama upgrade you like that
yeah what you bo na kala you rough you
ma be you 20
what time pa
ya bi o ma focus
20
wo bi o tu punu nim
20 na 20 akati
kala
sa
ene Rebecca sa why
bra o ka sa o de me ka de
what do you think me show sa
hu me ni na
me
na no bo red na wa ya mle ntimi nkona
ai ka chance when near flat o yi pepa ho
me tabla afa na keji na me so ya na me chi hu kakra tabla fa 100 na ma na
what the radio about there
ensi hu be 59 1.5
radio you know da me ba kila ba o mu bi wa me ba me
enye ma ye bi kila
be blo me de
o de ka na wa twia
o de me twia na se me kapu no
enye kapu
bo fa bo
sika se de kapu
ya da be da di bi be wa sa
so kila
oh ya coffee na ba ka Ghetto
Tale o so ja ho French boy se ni pan de me ka be ja de o to na ho French boy o da da.
Enti me ko kan de. Mini to so.
Ni sika e. Na no ji o de how.
Aina
Hey. The friend say.
The friend who red.
Red.
Onu wa ko so be si biem. O be hu ni cha na che.
Be.
So this ka some dey for dia bro. Tale so ba me. Anu me so ba ko pe ni to me ni me ho che me pa.
Ba so se am for wa o.
friend ya ba bo we want to do ni ka
No, me so e ka dam si o. Ne so e ka dam si na. Amfa. Se ka dam si no ba ya so bi ho so a me no la so so.
What is that na boy? Kwa ni so. Kai, when red. Kai. Fama omo. When you know. Kai, afa.
Ko me ni se piti.
Friend. I'm happy to see you.
oh that's nice
What makes us say? When Auntie are crying, cool.
that we not you
Akwaba.
yeah me dear
Na onim some go full party.
oh why not
No, be a menu ba menu wakasa. Oba be fa me pie weekend. Man ti on kan bi.
oh facha me enye me a nse na me ye one of two be ni adenti no ma problem kakra me time no na me sa twene ade bi ho sisi ara no me ka se me no ko papa fo ne na so ye kwa ha ne aba ha be sa kriti awe ho bi pre
No cry there.
so
No cry there. No
ba
cry.
pie ne de enwore me tu vepi I won't say na timi afok up there but me worry
I wonder na ka say me shosho.
oh yeah
Ona ka say me ho.
that's you hello Dari Minyabi I still Minyabi I still scanner antida me patrol wo dey me wo baby kakra be free wa since it's amount na me dey but as me nyanya bi e chama as na mana pressure na ade antida me fro why okay bye Wait a minute.
Oh,
Sorry,
that's fine. That's
Sorry, Kaka.
Oh, Papa.
Yeah, me Papa. Yeah.
And also here's
But I say, my trial, and I mean, many days can be so, but I say, I can't forget up, Kakra.
And your papa ne well calling Naso Nene or air calling Naso Dembian. Your papa,
we me papa meow. Oh, you know, only dear do taking care of the money, you know. Dear and dad. Daddy. I got confused. Deny papa, deny Pia, and you know, only one on a share so.
Matthias. But I hope so. BBI okay, yeah.
Oh, BBI okay, but amount to be nice and the man on the say, we could die and make a be, but I call him and sent me, and it's all fresh from his son. Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, good.
Oh, maybe I might just few minutes. Sorry. Oh, Joseph. Wait, I don't know what you have to solve, but also no. Piena ibe pieno. Mesenka jeketwe na so beto ne marketing kiti be den it's enough into no. Obetimi anya kakra de aye. Yeah, what's all day?
Oh, Debbie. Oh.
I made Debbie. Me and I said, don't be Sammy. Debbie.
Oh, Debbie.
Joseph.
Debbie, sister.
Joseph.
Oh.
Me. Debbie, no, don't start. Please don't start. Joseph, don't start. Listen, look at me. Listen. No, leave Daddy. No, listen. Leave Daddy. What I say? The world will know the audio manenko. But once I'm here, I would support you in anything that you need. And how cry? What I say?
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. And you missed her going, Kakra.
Matthias. But we are going out. You know we have a date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can, get a few tops and down one, let's say, maybe I'll be feeling comfortable with something nice. Matthias.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Matthias.
For me, away.
Oh, on the amateur baby cry.
No.
Aye. On the amateur baby. On the old friend is Ababio.
For me, yeah.
Aye. Matthias. If you need anything, just go ahead. That's it.
Hello, I'm just saying hello to you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Joseph.
Y'all can find nigga spirit. And to my heart, you have no limit. So in there, in my heart, you are one with no DJ.
Where are you? Right here. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh boy. Okay. So Joseph, what do you know about him? Amanda, I don't even listen. Just stop looking at me like that. What? Anyway, Joseph there, I just saw my old school friend. Right. And a cool guy, very calm, jovial. Onye basa. Very cool. On fiki. He's real, like. Yeah, you could guys, he's a real guy. Really? He's a real guy. And on Yama Simon girl. No. You kidding me? Joseph. On the school time, that girl we want a broken heart too. The fitty ho. What you know what I can't about them. You want to be Papa Penny, sir. I'm telling you. No, what can I say? You no way. Is it wait, no way. Is it what I'm thinking? Okay, so I I kind of think we're getting along so well. And I mean, Sebi Mitiho, he said I'm single. And at least when you're a man, you need that formness. Or not to near my say or you're caring and all that. I don't need a man with money. Do you get it? I don't need me here bemo Oscar. I mean I have it. Do you get it? And you know, I don't know.
You don't know. I don't know. Are you sure about what I'm saying? Is it what I'm thinking?
What you're thinking?
Yeah. Oh my God! Someone's in love. Oh, I'm so happy for you.
I think I like his ways. Like that's all. Yeah.
Joseph, dear, when you get closer to him, you will like him. Joseph will be up, and I said, when you're buying the pay, you will like him. Now, I don't even know how he will accept this because Joseph, somebody.
Now, what do you say? What nene kasa?
Two adults here. Can we have them the man over to know? Kawan, because I already kikaya. Out anyway. I'll try and put a wedding sign.
I can't say, but then I mean, conversation. I don't know if he's okay. But
he's a nice guy. I'm sure. I don't know how he will take this, but I'll try and convince him. I'll try my best. I promise.
Don't tell him I said. And you did that, say, me say.
And I said so.
And you did that. But we could see where it goes. Don't be silly. I will say one.
Oh.
Love is a beautiful thing.
I'm listening. I'm all ears. Okay.
Then I'm just wondering what can I say?
So you want to say? I am listening. So, Amanda. I mean, me and Joseph appear quiet some couple of times, and yesterday night we went out, and he proposed to me. I accepted until officially. Before I wanted to let you know we are seeing each other. Yeah.
Wow. He did what?
He proposed. Yeah.
Wow. I'm happy for you. I know you deserve it. You need the money in your life. I'm really, really happy for you.
Thank you.
But Papa, I was there. And my mother couldn't influence him.
I know, but you know, my baby and 20 me has said first now, so.
Wait, excuse me.
Oh, and you're a buffo, so, but I won't say, me my fear she'll say first now, but all the time, piano with your break.
Hey, wow.
Yeah, but in your buffo.
I see. What do you want to catch him 70 break with you? Oh, wow. And then you're blushing.
No, I mean,
oh, wow.
No, I asked him to move in.
Let me be fair because you were alone and all that, you understand. So when you're more bravo, though I'll be visiting you, but
don't make me like that.
I don't understand you. And to you guys, congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I saw you okay, dear.
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I'm really happy that you are in her life now.
That is the daddy of the house right now.
Yeah.
I'm the control of this house.
Right.
I'm the controller.
Bema Befi.
So ne Bema na ofie.
Bema ni nie. Nti mere na ha nhye ni wanti to betia. Gacha no. Adam Timmy shot I just say, nah, I don't like this one. Change it. Yeah. Yeah, Bema no.
And about time that you do
Bema no. And I like the fact that he takes charge. Yeah.
I see.
Me am Bema o tia me.
Anyway, Bema wa bra my sister. Remember your whole long story in for one of my busy no relationship man. See, I what forget to what down for Biano. I don't want you and I think I'll catch our best friend.
I won't do that.
Oh,
I won't do that.
Anyway. Then it's not friend.
So baby. Also, Bayana.
But you buy a crack. Why?
Tena so prepare.
Oh, my pen, I'm pepping.
That's it. Okay.
Now, I am quite kakra, a sin charmer, but me pelaisu.
Okay.
Not beef kakra. Okay. Why?
Mema family na opese me ame.
Family no. Adrian no.
Said I know.
But who the why? Sabe I don't bit me very. Yeah.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Let's go. Go where? My husband wants to eat.
I'm waiting for you.
What they were quite strong. I can't just say
I don't know down from there. Wow.
Maybe I'll be back. Yeah.
It's no crying and a criminal.
Yeah, the one of the else. Pop when each me. It's one day to our no.
Last bit. Ooh.
Love.
Tia me ba.
Love, moi. Mais John c'est bien wa. Quick, shako.
Pardon.
Praising. Ça non ti. On est tout on a praising. Therefore, I said, man, say you like whatever she does. Hey, what you make smart what we say. Okay.
Yeah, me.
Amanda.
Gruma.
Oh my God.
Meba. Okay,
May I try some way now? I don't know.
Meba.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, I'm saying, oh, Pam, me fair. Okay, nice one.
Get to them. Yeah. See,
huge. What's here and every routine baby, but it's nothing huge. At least to be able to read and write, one who brought for back home maybe. Because at the end of the day, make sure I can make office. It's your job. You are the man in the house. Do you get it?
I know, but I don't know. I mean, but what do you mean, go school? Wow. Baby, you mean sure?
Oh, sure. So listen, I see you and I know, me take my come say, you are not a bad person. Me honor say, we any papa, all you need is a push. And I don't mind. Do you get it? Me, yeah, dear mama, I don't even look at it. You take charge. Do you get it? But all I'm going to say is, Mr. Don't disappoint me.
Oh, no. I will never disappoint you.
I know.
I swear.
Family. Bruh. That's about it. Mr. Faguka ni mama meba. Now make sure say me kono. Me de metricha cabbages near the fridge. Make sure he eats. Ote.
Madam Ati.
Faguka.
Oh, funny.
Very funny. Baby, I'm going to miss you. Take care, yeah? Okay. Be good.
Okay.
And I'll call you at lunch break. Why?
Bye-bye.
Bye, babe.
Babe, bye-bye.
Bye.
Babe, I said bye-bye. Ay, famille.
Hello.
No. Famille no dimpa na.
Mi dimpa, famille.
Wow.
Ay. Mi dimpa. Me mento ni do bonyo.
Okay.
Me mento no.
Okay.
You do ask me something. If anything, let me know.
But you speak English, right?
Yeah, I speak small because I know complete school. So I speak small because of the streets. Yes.
Okay. Which street you did?
Ashoman.
Wow, Ashoma Street.
Yes.
So you from Ashoma?
I'm from Ashoma.
Wow.
Yes. I hope everything is nice.
Oh, everything is nice.
Okay, so
yeah.
I'm gonna.
I want to ask you some question.
Want to ask me some question?
Yeah. What about the tree?
Okay, no problem.
Now think so.
Kakla. In feel.
If you oh. If you feel.
Many feel. Enjoyable guy today.
Oh, okay. Actually, juicy.
Super Jana. Bet you beside your pisano, eh?
No. Really, you piano and me pisa. Yes, all my free money. And
yes, all my account now. Yeah.
Oh, mensu.
Oh, poor, you're good, pa. You're my upon your good on any banner. Upon your good.
To free one or did be
oh, free one or did be Janapano. Japadiani be piano or dinner back. Papa didn't until Nebano or didn't want grow or Chasson.
If you
are in Japadia be beer, ne cars be beer companies, Nebana Shanasa. Or sin form about what Chasson. Or sin form now, I'm soon seeing Papa form. And you very good. A moment quasha muncho. Omo quasha and about Papa ni free mo, but the men were Johnny at this table so. Only to me, I need the shop fridge 3 days, 4 days. No, I say, no, yes. It's very sad. It's very, very, very sad.
Wow.
It's very sad.
Mate, Miss me take care of Madame Maupa. My friend is see papa.
Say, say, are you there? You are the man in this house.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can see everything.
Yeah.
But the last time I was here, and I hear some sound from the bedroom, and I say, Martins.
Is it I'm when you miss sound or?
Yeah, like sound, yeah. You clap sound.
Hey,
and I see everything. Baunia. Say no more sense in your cosonia. Me a chef, I'm off, I'm so game, she papa. Say your friends about to Bobo and SB so. Shall see papa. It's uniform. It's uniform. Timmy.
Nation prepared.
Obey day.
No, but another and come a condo, jollof rice.
Jollof. YouTube now.
Hey, how bush him?
Mimi bush him. The what? Jollof rice, ne jaba. Jane ne honor do I make katikati Jane, a katikati o bibia.
So we are edited, Jan and who editing bibia one as I was son.
Miss Adobe. Adobe.
Okay, well, you sure into my answer.
My ano. My friend been a deal one dance at Chemi Bat. Me, you Adobe up more times. Bibiania.
Are you idiot? Mr. Fatchemy. Age pies.
Oh, yeah. I say more times you keep you on asking my age. Be careful. And I know you're dorsal. Me, I'm your dorsal. And I hear type on it. And yes, I say, be boy of factual. Yes, boy feet.
Okay. I mean, Cophobia, what to say, well, beside the beer or 25.
Me move Sana because I move 50 and be a 10 years later, because I move 50. Yeah, we go talk. We go talk. I'm dancer. I'm dancer out there. Super. My mom inside there. Bibiania, feel free. Let me know. Me vibe answer you. Say. Na ba cho. And I want what time and what. Class. Vibe. Wow, you.
But we're free.
Me. Oh.
Okay, to prepare.
No problem. Okay. But sorry for disturbing you. Why you be that?
Oh no. Me a Christian.
Sir.
My papa who said me cannot. My dad was dead. I was.
Your dad died, and now your dad died.
Yeah, he was dead. He was dead. Yeah.
I say, pastors of CFO.
Yeah, because why?
Super. When you read?
Blackie na nimno.
Make out red and draw red. The anum tree, man, they are bowing.
Sandra Akabenezer me kamenda.
Hey. But your man, I'm shot here. Seconds. Don't feel offended. Hey, now, go much no.
Your father, okay?
You better what I am with you. No problem, madam. There. You go talk. What I think of on your. Ah. Remember. How you feeling? What's your red?
Blackie na nimno.
They be make a draw red. The old doctor and their boy, and you know him red.
Blackie na nimno. Master red all mezia.
Make a draw red house. Master red all my son. I got so bonny. What you tell? What you tell me? Last what you tell me?
Money. Go and send the food.
I don't never go. Yes, Mpacho, maybe we're doing an Kamibusa say, Baby did Sisiana say, I'll drink a cram.
We are dear Granny.
Rice and stew.
I'm not Granny away, the Nanya crowd.
Sir,
Granny away in the salon. You also know Granny away in Nkoye crowd. Are they?
No, Koye.
Aye.
And Koye, as I say.
And yet, just say, and Tinny. You be mother.
Oh, Sinamai. I said, you know, Madame Nedi. Madame, I'm complaining.
Into one complaining intimate on a fan chiniku me boy.
And I'm so now complaining.
Into one complaining. We are chef.
Super, me and Casade, me chef. Yes, to be honest, me chef.
Now, on your chef, now, who begin out the on a phone, a girl, no son. Now, we're saying, you knew what
YouTube now. YouTube. The house of a wash hole. A baby piano number. Say be a toy no cloud was shower and no be jabba.
And it's on your chef.
Me chef.
Oh, yes, I am.
I make us a YouTube at Aroma.
No, on yourself now, who buy it, you don't know about you.
It's plenty. Sinamai. Your pamu school fees. Your pamu school fees. I'm a nam kwam. Na papa no ebe hu mi o. Papa no be hu no de me be fia. Sin ani tim ho. Opeso adopt me as a son. As a grandchildren no de me ba.
So are you a grandchildren?
Right now I'm chef.
And do be papa.
No de me be fia. Me ba so bi enu onu aduane o fia. Sinamai. O se me fa sa dibre no to no so.
Na wa bo. Se to no so bi dia no abo eto.
Na ma bo asha o YouTube. Na jiaba.
Se money still anu abo.
Na ma bo asha o.
Body am pisia. Na abo asha o. Na jiaba.
Bibia no bo asha o beba. Na de ba ko kura me agye me sa kwan say. Fe da me bo she mu no. Eji ba ma me ya de no. Sweet come on. Second day come on. Third day come on. But fourth day no minim. Sweet ajele minim so ma jene cha no no say nuana no. Are different. Come to me aduane e ka shop aba taste ni ko ye minim.
And you dey aduane phone e kun papa yi pa.
Ni ko bia. Point of correction.
Okay. No problem. Let's just say, Udi, if you had the what bohacha on.
Ma bohacha papa. Sinama me ba na me kete. Na me kete.
Then you want to phone che.
Bo mun complain. E no ni ade ba ko a de bia manager ho. Mun complain.
Okay.
Na sinama ade ba ko so say, madam ne me fadan. Omi ogu dan kasa. Se wuji nyankopon firi ho omu ne yeku. Boni ade boni bi ni omu trimu. Boni ade boni. Nti wo yo obi ana say wo nipa na wo susu na yesa wo je bibia ti omo ebe kwa against wa. Omi ogu papa. Always omo dream nipa. Always. Omo nipa.
I said you will see cause wonam kwan ho a opeke wa.
Opeke me ne de. Chamai.
Wa fa wo se ne ba ne bia.
Me bia. Na dia agye me saba kwan se obia kom ho asempa. Okay. Nti se wo ye nipa na we se wo susu adwenwe boni amomo a enyom. Of course. Enyom da. Papa no de papa sa no de akoshe fomu. Ni papa nche wasase so efia.
You are seeing boy sanity ni papa bia.
Nche wasase so.
Nche wasase so. Na said you would di papa no ho dance ye no.
Good.
Tino ho dance pasa.
Yes.
Obia shira wo.
Obia.
Tu sha me kan wani pa be se na ra be fia ako.
O kan different but some appearance ni different.
Kwe.
Bibi ani a why?
Okay.
Yes, uncle. I did the kitchen side there.
You did the kitchen side. Okay, I they come there.
And I mean, Nimon, because more catchers one check.
Nah, Nini Penny.
Yaya, we say.
Okay, you know, friend.
Oh, Amanda.
Where?
Oh, Amanda.
Oh,
Boko, no swear. Oh, sorry. Shut up a pencil. Why?
Come back, share any pencil.
A pig crack.
Or catch him his own chance, so catch him so outside my own chair.
Look, but on chest, Sadi.
I'll go see Cafata. Come on. Why, come on. Hey, no, what's it? How would you? Why, come on. Just Cafata.
Charlie, I had the boko.
Oh, I did. Hey, so what change a crack? What's in the upper say?
You cry me too. I'm not saying a crack.
Ah, welcome. Annie.
I get what you say.
I'm
for Vanda Munyan.
Oh, Munin.
Oh, nice.
Only. Sisiano. And shows in the way. Why come?
Oh, yeah. That's who we Japanese. Shit. I'm on the che. What I'm for? And near money fee personally. But me go so.
Japanese.
See, my mom sends you for me. Me go so me work anymore.
See how bad. Why come and man your man now want to talk on and I didn't do three. When it's not here. Seeing run out you or patching. They used to watch any fatty pee or some who didn't tell who fears. And my mother me routing Martin Mayor than our mammy scanner me to was and I mean to was a ceremony now.
Amanda, no check what I found.
So it's saying,
Amanda, minim you.
I'm at the ambitious how.
Minim yet you.
You're important to me.
Minim get to a team minim yet you.
Of course.
It's in your near man or to my mini hear me on. See if you beat me in your near money, and she see a dear near only a boy baby. Exactly. Into that. Relax, Amanda. Relax, minim dear me a day. Me, a few.
Yeah. It's only crap for you.
So
catch him so on check, but you just an corner, many shows, and me corner my son baby and you run a search, and my friend. Why?
Madam Moko. Oh, madam, banani. Oh, madam.
Ebenya hwe oba oya wo se me. Oh, enya hwe. Mesampa. Oh, so dem me wa. Mesampa.
Madam. We ya bano oni adia beni yo. Madam.
Mesampa.
Madam, beni oni amunko. Madam.
Madam.
Emodiko. You're very good boy.
Body palo. It's right am pacho.
Oh, thanks so much. Why? I fuck up. That's unso. When you know. About Crocodile 47.
Maybe remember you say small.
Maybe when you're small boy. When you and you know. Send it with the one check. Give him a figure too. Hey. You will not bring you back. Cause me.
Bye, I'm Pasha.
Okay, yo.
About saying,
I can't show you the way. Hey, what I'm feeling up and some more.
I know.
Hey. Famille. You don't want me to, madam. Also,
Na mklana me begging say, "Go beti ya check akla no na komanda mabesa o." Where's madam be balo ni haye.
Na okuchukutu na yi say.
Yes, sir.
Asa kura down na so.
Boss.
What shall now when you?
No, it's very soon.
Mate. Shall I prepare you remember so inside? Why?
Millennia.
I said I wish they were here now we inside there.
Anamo.
Because it's been so very okay.
Above.
If you are just a greeter. I would never come back again. Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for my brother, Joseph.
Your brother?
Yes, please, he's around.
He's sleeping. Who is this?
Please, I'm his sister.
Joseph has a sister?
Yes.
Really?
Okay, when he comes, tell him that he should call me because it's urgent. So my school fees, he promised to pay for it today, but then I've not heard from him. So I was calling to check if he's still on it or I don't know what's going on.
Your fees?
Yes. And I have to pay today.
Wow. Okay, listen. This is your number, right?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to call you with mine and then also send you the location to come home.
Okay. I'm waiting.
I'm Frema.
My name is Clara.
Okay, so you let me know when you're set enough.
Thank you very much.
Take care, yeah?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Joseph, sister. Did you like the food?
Oh, yeah.
It was good.
Ede papa. Nyachi.
Jada na dia dia sim. Tell me no tena, Joseph. Be you ma kum na me no te. I open everything bare to you. A blue, a green, I don't know, can't you so when you're back?
Freeman. And yes, if you're in powers. Mean to me for me how you know mammy goose.
Joseph, a dear painty, and now bar me no what say. Utimi won near bar. I will no notice school more bre, a here feasting, put here do be. Now won't see me, mamma. I did tell me no to me no tenny bonnet. Joseph, me no tenny bonnet. Eh? And I won't be some, my dear mamma, papa me tea.
Freeman, Miss Rowe, fetch me. Say, that rule, you know, I could come in and soon. It's Miss Rowe, Freeman, Miss Rowe. Fetch me.
Joseph,
meet me. No, listen. Meet me for me how. Yes, I make how. Because you're not taking care of me.
Doesn't matter. Have I complained?
No, I'm not saying you complain.
But what is it?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Yo, come on, girl.
No, look, don't do that.
Yo.
Don't do that.
Listen, Miss Rowe. Meet me for me how. And you meet me a complaining at Rowe. Maybe what I say. Yes, I mean, no. Miss Rowe.
Joseph. Sebe. Me who wanna me pewasem. Me you are makumen and I'm a semi notes na. Me mpese me ye niema bebre ase me push niema de at the bawa kwam to say me ye bu when I don't want to do that. But I believe says me ne wote na bibi how na wo kwa titi mo e affect me.
Oh, me.
So you should be able to tell me.
Matthias.
How you me how? One man ye my man we go through it together. That is why we are together.
Freeman, I love you so much.
I love you.
Mama. Hey, Freeman.
My nene kasai, my nene kasai. My money direction say on breath na on brambeji. Wa on pane ma, me am ka chene so on breath.
Mati, any problem.
Hey, me fashion see me passion.
You mean sure. Freeman, I love you so much.
You know I love you.
Oh, Freeman. Me want someone me control. Oh, Freeman, leave
me alone. Leave me alone. We are now. Don't do this again. I love the song.
Oh, nice.
I direct one day. Tell me if knows that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She'll change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out of my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty Adonai inspiration.
Amanda. Yeah. Okay.
Hey. Share? Whatever. I share all these shots. I think. Are you serious? What? Oh, why are dear? Hey, whatever. So I don't want to enjoy life. In a German promise I get to. Oh, this is great. Why are dear? Now what about to say?
Charlie. Ako was a Charlie. If you Amanda. Say come and call my home. Oh, Amanda, oh, your baby are on. Say, me mean, ya massy, I'm woman back, woman. Akabenezer bien one, it's the only year da. I swear, Amanda. A near man near me, boop your honor near me, be a son, you feel what sit here no. Charlie.
Feel the minimum was a madam for no.
Maybe 3 times a day.
That's a size. I don't pay. I'll probably be 10 times a day.
I did beat me and see me being she. Take your shit, man.
No, so don't even go.
Amanda, if you're home, you're in any brew. You be teacher say, be bien one be sana on family. Now, Miss I can't no quite tata.
I'm not down for no girl. I shall know. I shall not know. You might remember say, go outside. I say, by fear, any fee. I just say, I can say,
your party goofy on. Now, my dear Barco, Amanda, you say mean to me, my house shoe.
Oh, I understand.
See, they have banner dear, mean to me, all the time, beer. Because who pay crown and us and then knee or quite near day, next some way be what I say. Yeah, to the mesro. And yet 10 piano meet me a day. Every show. So, to never be I say, with me tears and not me understanding.
No problem. So, if you hold it, me, fee.
I market it as a boy's now mobile.
Oh, yomba. Won't be some of us, and I'm so what to go and find your mouth.
Yes, George and so I started pushing. A book close. And also a trouble for no more much, you know. So they are quabacuna.
Yes, I will be paid.
Oh, no, they say no, say a ton, a man, answer a chichibu, I ton. Hey, my few. Yeah. My main concert.
I'm fine. So you want him so pissed though. You want oh, Jai.
Mr. Ma painting, and so Amanda dear.
See, I'm a dancer.
And I say, you know, doggy now.
And they very stop your number.
Oh, Monsieur Joseph doing him that, and me, I think Messiah, I don't actually know the things he likes, the things he dislikes. And near my, I say, on power bar, honey, your power bar. You know, say, my dear, you should know how to keep your man. What I say? Inti, I just wanted to know, say, be a baby or I won't pay. Maybe or I need any Adriane, be the any Sika, be the any Hobrasia, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, I don't know about Joseph, like.
Yeah, oh, when it dear, now say, oh, plus should be now, hey. And what for you, madam?
You ain't count,
hey.
You ain't count,
oh, really?
Hey, yeah.
Every house,
it's a center.
I say, me, I don't know why you was answer.
What do you want for them? Okay. Show me the way. Show me the way.
Anyway, they met me. I can't say, be my day. Or but they also send a crab, man. And I don't send them. Me, man, no about no more home.
Right.
And see, I think say if you had a definitely a journey, a be brought so car. But I think if you really want to keep him, man, if you really want to keep him, someone say on your Gruma. So what I say, there might be one or Tiffy na or Ban will take in charge, and I say you be in control of the house or feeling low or feeling I say when I at the head of the house instead of him. So what our advice is, I think say Ube man will be like man huge amount of money be.
But what does he actually want to do? That's the question.
That one there, I don't know. That one depends on you. You are supposed to talk to him. But I think say man only be discussing no man can he be like some huge amount of money. Say we are on say
or this
should be yes because you don't like sending your head or titi feel. I think say we yes man and any budget. I know so obe hu say obe bema instead of you. Because one or two hand or pebble, but criminal bear my dear or bow was he catching and answer and won't send me. So I think say, but what I want to advise you, one thing you shouldn't try. Don't let him into your father's business.
Why?
Why what? I am advising you as a friend.
be silly.
Come
Grandma,
on, listen. Frema, listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. I'm talking to you as a friend.
Right.
I love you. That is why I'm telling you the truth. Say, I will not see your madam. Come meet me. I can be a trainer. But babe, your father's business is for you. Is your business. What do you outside of your papa business? Why he can? I bet me outside. No, bet me I'm not conform.
Let's say Joseph on your outsider.
And I make sure say, just focus on your father's legacy. Continue for him. And I think that old man will be very happy wherever he is.
Amanda, listen.
But make sure say, on fan or ain't real papa business. In fact, even if person will involve in a crown out there, relax, me worry we are not BPA. But for now, men could remember your more door seminar. And fan go show papa business more. Yes, I assemble. I'll not be there. You.
I mean, the basics are for him to be able to read and write, know where to keep the business and all that. Because I do maybe what's a me or bad. If it drew point to be a bit broad.
And I make sure say you can actually do that, but not now. Sisi ane de maniska kesi bi. So what I say maniska kesi bi now fan starting. Onanga say must me have fan starting bibi. So the make cannot tell myself. So I think that's good. You're welcome. You're happy.
Right. My
oh,
very ready this year. You're not on my cushion. Very ready this year.
Not that day. Kushia.
They're ready, but.
My mama didn't cry. She me.
Ababio. Ababio.
I say you guys already could. I'm in trouble them.
And you come and do this today.
Come there them.
Woman, me say. Joseph, me kana sembia. She say, me share be. Me share Joseph sasoda. Can you imagine? But me, my boy is going to be.
Sir?
Oh, so, David. And you're going to number. I don't love you because of your money.
Hey.
And I'm saying, oh no, I mean, and you said me boy him Tiana, baby, just keep something on you. I said, no.
What if they be an kind of something or ignore another?
The money 50,000.
What?
50,000. Brand is David. And yes, you can't compare Chinanko or no, and your basic compare basic. People say, your type is rare to find. Like, me who bear my own bit, maybe and I'm not. Akase, 500 million. To say, the amount said, Joseph and Pet. I'm so okay. 2% a day. Like, I mean, basically, it's not about money for him.
Wow.
Oh, Amanda. Well, Mommy Bema. I always said that he was here to even see the kind of man I am with right now. Because genuinely, there is this genuine connection. There is a connection whereby it's not infused by anything. And you see, and you be like, or same genuinely. Oh, Joseph.
Joseph doesn't make an answer in church, or a nice person. Joseph don't basa. Me name Joseph no onye basa ba. Because no Joseph who makra no dwane. For him to even accept you no kra no. Me mama kaka.
Cause now I say any GP only be matter sorry any GP like there is that kind of sister. Me jide say we obana to say only relationship with my say I'm telling you. Okay, you're strong woman, independent woman, dependent over it.
But are you comfortable with you? They said, "Are you okay?" The man of the house.
Right. Well, but not bride Janet chef to be hey, are you okay? But you can say me remember how Arabian if you about it too. On a family pen and me. I mean, he's comfortable. He feels at home. Honestly, he's there is no single day I say we even had an argument.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's great. Baby, you want something? Oh baby, oh my baby, mom. Oh okay, baby.
Hey, what did you do?
God damn it.
That's why some friend basa say. Our friend basa say.
Me friend your name.
One who buy me mama. Me best friend where you.
Yes.
Kai damn you. Kai.
Hey, Jesus. Anyway.
And also there.
Ain't it young boy honana? I need baby okay.
Young queen. Let's say I could talk more.
Oh, Nasa the answer.
Enjoyment minister. What the hell now chilling? Who enjoy yourself?
Wonder.
Obi awo. I should share you myself graphy have a idea and what the hell no monster no rent TV.
Now baby na want to one country.
Trasem.
Man say ubasa.
Me ba me madam for fear. If you na me do betina mu no. Ene de me ba ha, this me kran once ma ba fie ha. Hey. I don't question now this ano. What did you have here? So what are you doing? Then we will fear.
Say me kunia maso, yesi bia. Ma pu me ne go pipi so. Me kunia maso.
Where then who kunio maso? Oh shut up. Who go there so? Who represent nipa no madam for na. Dia ko Sofia ina me yawe o. Just what is na Mr. Loverboy. Obi a wo ye hye adwuma bra ha bejiska. Nienia, wo betina here Loverboy things. And now madam for the catch us all Oscar. Who catch say me dey impo sir. Now Ghetto boy den ka love fa ho ben. Abrante. Ghetto boy den ka love e fa ho ben.
Wonder. Sebe ko yi.
Hey, listen, me mpem kwasasem. Fu die ntia wo ba fie ha. Me na me do ba fie ha. E na me nim die ntia me do ba fie. Wo ya aware reason why you are here. It's meant na ha ni kwasasem. Sika no ye pe. I'm saying love her we are getting way no more why ensa hwe TV.
Yes kasem sa. Eni beba no. Inti no ma miska me see wonya botre no.
Eni beba ho say na date na onye sika ni na wo fia to de ma wa date na say eni beba ho.
So we so be obeka say wo sister.
Obeka say dey. In fact, listen to me. Adwuma na ye me na me control. What dem kan no? Whatever I say stands. The meka no eno na wo betie, eno na wo befa, eno na wo de be ye adwuma. We now best lover boy things. About you, be do her. Then what I say no. Father, this one no kasa who say no mo say me manim. No ye no ho. Now we get to boy then ka wine glass one ho ben. Hey, me pen kwata say na oti hedi no. Hu de ti a wo ba fi ha. Time is not on our side. Twitwa won sem so. Ye hwe de ye ho. O je no.
Amanda.
Asabe. Listen to me. Kai baby are free. Ne hunu de ntia wo ha ne twitwa wonsem so. So what dem kan no. I thought boy I John say cry dem dem hidi.
Amanda.
What's that film so called?
Say cry.
Even some Mrs. Mitimika.
Friday, Juma.
I'm set tapas near there.
Tapas near tapas.
Tapas a day.
Tapas there, set tankers.
It's really
no, oh, that is too sweet.
For me,
oh no, cool.
Oh,
no.
what's why I'm from?
Aye.
Over 20 anyway.
Aye, you went there. Oh, that's nice.
Sorry, on patrol. Where you?
Me.
Patrol. Where's your gate now? Loverboy.
What's that?
Loverboy.
Loverboy. Why not Loverboy?
Hey, oh boy, dada. No, I have so fucking. Oh, gate now. So no do come.
Open.
So no do come.
Okay, go inside. Right.
Baba boy na. Then work chat to small. Why for 40? Gidi yo. I'm finding out my home for some poor be African way. Madam ni. O baba for. Yeah.
Okay.
Pasa, sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Madam, now go there. Baba boy.
Come here. When I am Zano. Come in a while. Babe, first of all, I'm sorry for your loss, okay? I know that is no more, okay? Now, I want to be on your speed dial, okay? I'll stop everything just for you. Now, I know you need a man in your life, and babe, I'm here now, okay? Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Wow. I'm surprised. It's supposed to be an apology?
I mean...
And I'm glad that you've realized that I need a man in my life. Joseph. Joe.
Yeah, babe.
Babe, please come.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.